Ever wondered why you didn't get the salary you expected? Why you walked away from a job interview feeling undervalued or overlooked? It's a common experience, but it's not always down to the employer. Sometimes, the fault lies in our approach to salary negotiation. Today, we're going to delve into the top 5 mistakes people make during this crucial process. First on the list is a classic blunder: failing to do your homework. It's not enough to know what you want to earn. You need to understand what you're worth in the marketplace. That means researching industry standards, considering your experience level, and taking into account the specifics of the job role. If you walk into a negotiation without this information, you're flying blind. The second mistake is not recognizing the full scope of compensation. Salary is just one aspect of your total compensation package. It's essential to consider other factors such as health benefits, retirement contributions, vacation days, and other perks. Undervaluing these elements can lead you to accept a lower salary than you deserve. Thirdly, many people fall into the trap of accepting the first offer. It's an easy mistake to make, especially if you're eager to secure the job. But remember, the first offer is often a starting point for negotiation, not the final word. The fourth mistake is becoming too emotionally invested. It's natural to feel passionate, but letting your emotions drive the negotiation can lead to poor decisions. Keep a cool head, stay objective, and focus on the facts. Lastly, the fifth mistake is not being prepared to walk away. It's a tough call to make, especially if you've invested a lot of time and energy into the process. But if an offer doesn't meet your needs or reflect your worth, it's better to decline and move on. In conclusion, the key to successful salary negotiation lies in being well prepared, understanding your worth, considering the full compensation package, remaining objective, and being ready to walk away if necessary. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can increase your chances of securing a salary that reflects your value and meets your needs. Remember, salary negotiation is not just about getting what you want. It's about creating a win-win situation where both you and your employer feel valued and satisfied. That's all for today. Stay savvy, keep learning, and remember, you're worth it.